Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have here at Dairy Beefcake this Volvo XC60. This is a 2015 and I'm just going to show you how you can check the oil level on your car. And there is no dipstick in this car, so we have to do it from inside. So it's going to come up here in the dash, and basically I got my key here, so I'll just put my key in there. Press this button once so the system comes on, and then press the button here, the OK button, and then that menu comes up, and then you're just gonna press and hold this button without starting the car, so the ignition comes on like that. And I'm just going to acknowledge that. Then with the little wheel again, we're gonna go to oil level. So if you don't get the ignition on, that remains sort of dark and you can't really check the oil level. So then you press the OK button again, and that's where our oil level is. In this case scenario is that white line there, and I'm just at the max there at the moment, so that is okay. And that's pretty much it really. Then you can just come out that menu pressing the back button, and there we are. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.